Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to students and everyone here. We are from Team Fathers Space Force. I am Farisha, team leader and programmer. I am Safira, researcher and documenter. And I am Zia, technician and robot designer. Today we will present our innovation, a smart robot that helps in the emergencies. We call it the Future Guardians. Our motto is everything counts, every life matters. Recently, there was a terrible bus accident involving 6 students. In Zara Pioneer case, many were injured and some suddenly passed away. Just imagine if the fire truck or ambulance came earlier, inshallah more lives could have been saved. In Basic Day, moms are often late, so we ask ourselves what is our work with an emergency and send them to clean what's earned. So that's why we create the Future Guardians. Here's how it works. First, the camera scans the environment using AI. It can detect emergency image like fire, accident, or crime. Once an image is detected, the robot immediately decides what kind of help is needed: police, fire, or ambulance. Then, it follows the black line path using color sensor. It goes straight to the danger area, bringing along the right rescue and supported. At the same time, the sky rescue will fly the first rescue without any traffic. The rescue robot X will assist the Future Guardian robot to carry rescue into narrow lane or blocked area. Let me share more about the robot physical design. We built it with two models using 4 wheels, color sensor underneath to follow a black line path, a forklift for the front to carry emergency kits, and a mini camera on top acts like a light eye. The Sky Rescue Drone and Rescue Rover X are also designed to assist the Future Guardian robot and location. Together, they make rescue faster and safer. Let's talk about the brain of the robot, the coding and systems. We program our robot using blood crystal measurement station from milestone to train the camera for implementation. Now, let us show you how the AI works. First, the camera scans the environment with AI. Then let's present one of the pictures, please. Thank you very much. You choose crime at near Spire. Before anything happens, the model recording is essential. But if we shoot this AI into the camera, the model will be able to predict. The model predicts as there is a crime at near Spire. The Future Guardian robot will detect the emergency and choose the right rescue kit to send to the location. At the same time, the Sky Rescue Drone will fly with the first rescue kit without being stuck in traffic. The rescue robot X will help the rescue kit into narrow lanes or blocked areas. After the problem is solved, our robot will return to the station and wait for the next emergency. This shows how our robot is measured on his mind, not truly intelligent, fast, and fully responsive in real-time emergencies. As you can see, we also use the microbit kit available in our school to support this innovation. We use microbit sensor to monitor the temperature, light, and sound around the city to ensure the city stays safe. For your information, we also collaborate with NADI, who sets the environment Muhammad Further Training to complete this project. In conclusion, the Future Guardian is more than just a robot. It is our vision for a safer, smarter, and faster city. Our project support SDG 11 sustainable cities and communities, and SDG 3 good health and well-being. This project urban space in the yard because it operates safely, uses a sensor and a camera, and is powered by artificial intelligence. We believe that one day this kind of robot will work hand in hand with your recipes, helping people with daily and everyday matter. Thank you very much.